We're sitting out enjoying a beautiful evening in front of this great little place called Hostal Gavilanes. Gavilanes means seagulls. It's a beautiful evening. We're sitting in front of what looks to me like it could be an old stadium or an old bullfighting arena. I don't know. It's beautiful though. Check it out. We're gonna dig in here. Oh, just kidding. He didn't give us any forks yet. But when he does, we're gonna give it a try. Oh, he did. Baby forks. This is the ensalada mixta con atún, aceitunas. Love it. Basic, simple, and beautiful. And the salad is pretty great too. We're getting some more too. It'll be out in a second. Babe, how stoked are you about what we have next? What does oreja mean, babe?
You already did a video of it here.
We got pig ears. I'm stoked for this. I've never had fried pig ear. I can't even wait. It's really good. It reminds me of other pork products. Salty, fatty, delicious. It's got some different spices on there. I couldn't tell if it's oregano or basil, but it is amazing. All in all, another incredible bocadillo. If you're not familiar, bocadillo means a snack, a small meal in Toledo, Spain. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.